You gon' push me to my breaking point, that's a hard fact. We had an agreement, you got greedy, then you double back. That's a no-no, it don't work like that. We were friends, knowing me, how you thought you'd get away with that? If you switching up, I might have to switch your little face up. Right hand to the gavel, either way I'm getting caked up. Lying in the sand, pretty boy, what you made of? I can flip your shit, take your chick and your pay stub. I don't play the field, I hit my duck.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I don't play the field, I hit my Dougie from the skybox. Playing with my funds, it get ugly like a cyclops. My God, I ain't been this livid since my dad kicked me out the house. We had an agreement, now you tryna give the run around. Bad move, you shouldn't have done me like that. You pay the price, don't take advice, make bad moves. The wrong move, you could've played your cards right, now it's bad news. You acting like a bitch, grade A, it's time to ride, you better make way. Yeah, when it comes to this, I don't take breaks, and because of this, I need a pay raise. I gotta ask myself for a pay raise. Hey Nate, what do you say, mate? Well shit, dog, you a real boss, and that gross looking like it made weight. So okay, wait, tell me how you gonna get rid of the body you got in front of you. Probably should get a shot and put a hole through his body. Like to do is a hobby, like do, get the fuck out of here. But I might do him different from a gut check, cause if he do die, then I'm a suspect. So I might cut the legs off his clan base and watch his dreams die from my success. Bad move, you shouldn't have done me like that. You pay the price, don't take advice, make bad moves. The wrong move, you could've played your cards right, now it's bad news. Yeah, I know you, dog, you do wrong, need some backup. You don't get a pass, make us mad, you get smacked up. Act up, I stick to the facts, then I rack up. You ain't got a chance, see my fans, I get mad love. Yeah, I know you, dog, you do wrong, need some backup. You don't get a pass, make us mad, you get smacked up. Act up, I stick to the facts, then I rack up. You ain't got a chance, see my fans, I get mad love.